Hello, comrade. Today we will learn how to pet a cat. Look at here, comrade. We have a kitty. Look at this kitty. Nice. No, you do not go back. No, you do not go back into your house. Bliat. Oh my god. Bliat. Look at this. Another cat. We're gonna pet the cat. Look at this. The cat is being pet. This is how you pet a cat. Put your hand on here. And then repeat like this. The cat is now satisfied. And if the cat is purring, you have successfully tamed the cat. And then, congratulations, comrade. You successfully got a cat.